So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another beautiful video. So, this video is dedicated to all the new forex traders or amateur or professional traders or you just struggling to make profit trading forex. So, this forex is for everyone, guys. So, in this video, like I said in the previous video, that I'm gonna make a video talking about or showing you how to spot entry trading with M and W. So, but in this video today, I'm gonna focus on the M. So, how to trade M, or we call it double top. So, if you like this video, guys, consider subscribe, like, share, and comment. So, like I said, this is an M, or we call it a double top with another website. So this is not forex strategy, but it's ways of spotting entries, like perfect entries, or entries that will make you money, like consistently, guys. If you trade with this, I guarantee you make a lot of money trading forex, guys. So without wasting time, let's jump in. So as you can see here, there's this and this. We call this a double top. Why do we call it a double top? Because it has two tops, and it's called double top because it has two tops, like it has this and this one and this. Okay. So in another way we call this an M, and today I'm gonna show you how to trade an M perfectly, guys, without making any loss. So when you see the market forms an M like this, guys, uh, this this is the signal that the market is about to reverse, uh, or the market is about to go on other direction, guys. So as you can see here, the market was all the way up. The market was buying, and then it forms this. As you can see, this candlestick and this one and this one, three candlesticks. This combination of three candlesticks, and this we can call it evening star. And as you can see, the market pulled the way down just a little bit and comes in this zone, and it fails to break this zone, and it went all the way down. So as you can see, when the market gets in this zone, so this is now a resistance zone. So the market fails to take out this resistance zone, and then it forms an M. I call this an M because it looks like an M. If you draw your M here, guys, this is how an M looks like. Okay. As you can see, let me just please go. Just put this. As you can see, this is a powerful zone, guys. This is a powerful resistance zone, and then the market fails to take it. So here, when you see a market forms something like this, so what must come in your mind is that the market is about to reverse, and where do you put your entry? Your entry will be somewhere here in this box size. So all you need to do is just to wait this candlestick to close. This candlestick must close in this zone or below the zone, but the wick, this thing, we call it the wick, it can go all the way up. Can make a great method of closing, guys, as long as this the body has not come out of the zone, guys. So, and then you wait another candlestick, the second candlestick, to be formed like this. So when the second candlestick forms, the wick can also go up, but the body should not go above this zone, guys. So if it goes above this zone, we call it a continuation pattern. So as you can see, when the market forms another candlestick at the second candlestick, it fails to take out this, and then it goes in a bearish or in a downtrend. So this shows you that this is a reversal, guys, and you can end a perfect M, and you make money trading this M consistently, entry here, and then where do you put the stop loss goes above this area. So you don't need to risk a lot, guys, here because the market can go all the way up here to play and then comes all the way down. So don't put your stop loss here because the market sometimes can form a stop hand. Stop hand is a longer candlestick that is designed to trigger all the stop loss that are near the zone and or then make the traders panic and stress out with their trade whereby you were right and then it is correct here that maybe the market will go on the other side. Okay, as you can see, when you enter here or maybe you enter here, you can see here the market goes all the way down and then it moves up. We call this a pullback. This is a pullback, right? The market goes all the way here, but it fails to take out this zone. Now this zone is also powerful because of this, guys. So this is if you're a professional trader here, you can also add another trade and then you can see what the market did. Goes all the way up, all the way down, and you make profit consistently with this strategy. Just trading and basically, guys, that's the right way how to trade and earn. So as you can see, the market rejects to take out this level, just to take out this level, and then from that they pull all the way to this resistance area. So they pull all the way to this resistance area, as you can see, guys, and then they pull all the way down. So to make a lot of money trading with this strategy if you spot the right trade, guys. That's how we trade AMs and W. So that's how we trade and AM. So I'm gonna show you how to trade W consistently, guys. As you can see, the market was all the way down, and then something that you need to know or you need to understand, right? If the market was in a downtrend, so you must always expect the reversal or the market to go up. The market doesn't move like only downward. Now that's not how the market do, guys. So the market makes an up and down. It fluctuates, guys. So here you expect the reversal, and then the reversal comes with the W because this was an M. Now you expect a W. As you can see here, guys, the market goes all the way. After this, the market makes or forms this candlestick, and then this candlestick we call it a pin. This is a pin, or this is a pin, guys, as you can see it, and it shows that the market, it's the reversal candlestick. It's part of the reversal candlestick, guys. If you watch the other video that I made a video about the candlestick or reversal candlestick last year. So just make sure you check it out, and then you understand, you get a better understanding about the candlestick, guys, if you're not familiar with candlestick. Okay, so you can see the market forms a in this thing, and it shows you that the market is about to reverse, or the reversal is coming, and then it plays all the way up, and then pulls back. As you can see, the market reversal from here. So now this is the area of reversal. So we can allow candlestick or wick to go below this, but we cannot allow body to go below this. If the candlestick comes all the way down and then the body goes down here, that's a continuation pattern. So, but if the body fails to close below here, you wait for the second candlestick. This is the second candlestick, as you can see, and then the second candlestick goes all the way up in a bullish. So it shows you that this is a reversal pattern. the W guys. As you can see, this leg one, and this is the second leg all the way up, and then as you can see, this is now a neckline, and this also we call this a neckline. And then as you can see, you must always wait. You must always expect the market to make a pullback all the way to the neckline. As you can see here, the market makes a little pullback to the neckline. So market doesn't move like in a straight line, but it moves up and down, or down and up to you can see that this market was the market did, then they move all the way down, and then this was just a pullback, right? It's a nice pullback, and you can see the market pulls all the way up. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy something or yeah, and I hope you guys learn something and you enjoy watching this video. So please let me know in the comment section below. Please guys, make sure you subscribe, you hit the like and comment, and share the video with your loved ones, guys. So by saying subscribe, it helps the channel grow, guys. Okay, and it will motivate me to keep making educational or useful videos like this one, guys. So that's how we trade with this is how we trade with M's and W's, guys, basically without making any loss. If you trade with this M and W, you will make a lot of money trading this, guys, and this is how forex works. Okay, thank you.